In this video, you will discover tips on how to avoid cash flow crisis. You will also discover how you can get a quick and obligation-free business loan quote online. The quote will have no impact on your business credit file. You could receive a cash injection within 24 hours to help move your business forward and grow your organization. Watch the video until the end to discover how you can apply for a business loan between $5,000 and $300,000 for any business purpose. In 4 simple easy steps you can give your business the financial boost it needs. According to Australian Bureau of Statistics, over 300,000 small businesses are launched in Australia every year. Out of all the new small businesses launched, about 50% fail within 3 years. One of the big challenges of business owners is a lack of cash flow. It is critical to get the money you earn from customers to meet your expenses for your business to stay afloat. We will now go through the 7 handy tips on how to avoid experiencing cash flow crisis. Here are some tips to avoid experiencing cash flow crisis to help you achieve your dream of building a successful business. 1. Make it easy for customers to pay you. In order to get paid on time, it is important to have a system in place that makes it easy for your customers to pay you. It can be as simple as making new customers aware of your payment terms. If you need to be paid within 14 days to keep things going smoothly, let your customers know about it up front. 2. Use technology to help you. Check that your invoicing system clearly shows the payment terms and let your customers know how to pay you. For example, make sure you include bank account details or other payment options on the invoice. Tools such as Xero accounting software integrate with payment platforms that allow customers to pay using credit cards or PayPal. Once an invoice is sent, make sure you can easily check your system when it is overdue. Send reminders to customers when a payment is not received by the due date. 3. Plan and monitor your cash flow. Most businesses go through a cycle of highs and lows. Some months can be lucrative while other times of the year are more challenging financially. Check your sales and expense history to look for patterns. For example, you may find there are specific times of the year when cash flow becomes tighter. It could be due to the weather or ongoing expenses such as the end of the financial year or some other factors. 4. Build up a cash reserve. It is important to know what time of the year is most lucrative for the business or when things are expensive for your business, so that you can put aside some cash to avoid getting caught short during the financially tighter months. 5. Prepare for unexpected expenses. Unexpected expenses can badly impact the chance of survival of a small business. You could consider adding 20% allowance to your expense forecast, so that you have some funds to cover important business equipment that may need to be replaced unexpectedly, or in case you suddenly lose a key customer or some other unforeseen circumstances comes up. 6. Do financial forecasting monthly. Forecasting involves both planning and reviewing. Set aside some time every month in your calendar to revise your forecast for income and expenses, so that you know what is coming up for the business in advance. 7. Improve your financial skills and get business advice. Many owners, especially in the early stages of their operations, struggle to understand their business financials. By expanding your knowledge and business financial skills, it can help improve how you manage your cash flow and business finances. Consider improving your business knowledge and get advice from an experienced accountant or business advisor. Do you want to know when to seek help from professional services and get business advice? Business owners tend to seek professional advice when they are already in a seriously tight cash flow position. For example, when financial mismanagement has led to a large debt with the Australian Taxation Office. It could be when the ongoing poor business profitability has resulted in the owner feeling as if they are backed into a corner. At this point, external advice could help in saving your business. But business advisors can be most useful before any big problems come up. In this situation, the business can take advantage of identified opportunities. Since the company has the resources to implement the business advisor's suggestions to improve your operations. For a small business to function well, the organization has to have a team of professional advisors that they can turn to for help regularly. Finding an accountant and other professional advisors you can trust should be a part of the company's ongoing business operations. It should not be considered only during the company's startup phase. It could help you in preventing making costly mistakes that do not have to be undone later. It is beneficial to have a team of professional advisors that you can contact for all sorts of advice about running your business. Professional advice should be unbiased. By having professional advisors that are removed from your business, they do not have any emotional ties that could interfere with their judgment. It can be an invaluable help in growing your business by having someone you can talk to when making key decisions. Perhaps you need an advisor to simply check in with you on a regular basis to hold you accountable in achieving your business goals. Business advisors can help keep your organization to stay on track in completing tasks so you can focus on working on the business instead of working in the business. Do you want to know how to assess if your business needs some additional funding? There are 6 main indicators that a business may need some additional funding. 1. You are experiencing the growing pains that come when expanding a business. 2. If you are turning away new business because you have no resources such as sufficient number of staff to service extra customers. 3. When the current business funding you have in place reaches its limit. 4. If your business is not able to meet its financial commitments. For example, you do not have the funds for GST to pay the business activity statements when it falls due. 5. You cannot meet customer deliveries on time due to low stock levels. 6. Due to slow-paying customers, the company is experiencing cash flow pressures. In this instance, it may require business owners to use their personal funds to meet the company's expense shortfall. Do you want to know what are the different types of business financing available? There are many different forms of funding and there are various types of financing available to businesses. There are short-term options such as bank overdrafts and credit cards. But due to high interest rates and expensive bank fees, it can make monthly repayments significant. Traditionally, small businesses find it challenging to secure funding through established lenders such as banks. It is changing due to the rise of alternative lenders such as Capify. Capify can provide quick access to funds so the organization can capitalize on opportunities that come up to grow the business. To discover how you can boost your business finances within 24 hours, click on the first link in the video description. Do you want to know how to improve your business cash flow and your business profitability? Here are a couple of tips on how to improve your cash flow and the profitability of your business. 1. Consolidate debts or existing loans. Try to consolidate any multiple debts or existing loans. It can help in improving your cash flow as you can reduce the amount of interest you are paying for various debts such as loans and credit cards. Assess the best option for your business based on your specific situation. You may need to get some advice from a business professional or advisor as to what will work best for your situation. 2. Improve your business profitability. It may be tempting to stock up on items you need to run your business when they are on sale. But when you invest in equipment, technology or other inventory, the cash gets locked in items that you may not be able to use immediately. In this situation, while your organization may be well equipped, you do not have the cash to operate the business. If there is a special deal available, perhaps you can buy an extra 1 month's supply. But do not get carried away and purchase 1 year's worth of items. By closely monitoring your stock level, you avoid allocating a lot of cash into something that you may not be able to sell immediately. Do you need funds to sustain and grow your business? You could be eligible for a business loan of $5,000 up to $300,000 with finance available for any business purpose. Get started in giving your business the boost it needs to grow it. Simply follow these 4 easy steps and receive the help you need immediately. Step 1. Check if you qualify in 60 seconds. Complete the online application to check your business eligibility without affecting your credit score. Step 2. Complete your loan application. Provide some information about you, your business and the required documents. Step 3. Receive the application result within 24 hours. Your application will be reviewed and you will receive the decision within 24 hours. Step 4. Your funds arrive within 24 hours. Once you agree and sign the agreement, the funds could be deposited into your bank account on the same day. To find out how you can boost your business finances within 24 hours, click on the first link in the video description. To summarize, it is important to focus on the financial position of the organization to improve business profitability. There are various initiatives you can implement to meet the ongoing business operations. It is beneficial to seek relevant professional services and business advice specific to your organizational needs. It is also helpful to know when you may need additional funding for the business to give you some peace of mind. The additional business funding could help in ensuring that you can survive the fluctuations in your income and expenses during the year. It can also help you to stay on track in growing your business. Disclaimer: this video is not intended for use as a source of legal, business, accounting, or financial advice. All viewers are advised to seek services of competent professionals in legal, business, accounting, and finance fields. This video contains general information only. If you like this video, share the love by giving it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive more like it in the future. Thanks for watching.